Hello guys, welcome back to Data Decoded. Mastering BigQuery is a vital skill for anyone working as a data analyst or a data scientist. So in this video, we're going to learn how to create data sets and table in Google Cloud's BigQuery services. So first of all, I have provided one link in description. You can click on it. It will redirect you to this page, or if you are already in this page, you need to click on this option. Here you have multiple projects to choose from, or you can create your new projects to create data set in it. So I'm selecting this project for this video. Then you need to click on this hamburger and scroll down to BigQuery. Click on it. It will show you this page. In this page, you have here your project name, and just front of it you have these three dots. Click on it and it will give multiple options. So you need to click on create data sets. That's how you create data sets. So after clicking on it, it will pop up this page, create data sets, your project ID. Here you need to give unique dataset name. So I'm giving it like sample db, and then you can select multi-region or region, and keeping it as multi-region for this video. And then you just need to click on create dataset, and it will create a dataset for you. So this is how easy creating dataset in Google Cloud's BigQuery. So next, how to create table inside your dataset. So just front of your dataset name, you have these three dots again. Then click on it. You have multiple options. Now you need to click on create table. Then again you will be pop up with this page. Then you need to select the multiple data source option. So you can create table using multiple data source options like upload file or Google Cloud Storage or Drive or Google Big Table, and multiple options. So in for this video, I'm going to show you how to create table using your existing CSV file that is already downloaded, or you already have on your desktop. So just click on upload. Then here you need to click on this browse. You need to select your CSV file. So I'm selecting this CSV file, then open. It will upload or import that file from your desktop. Then select the file type. So it is like CSV. So I'm selecting CSV. Then you need to give table name. So I'm giving table 1 for now. And most important, you need to click on this option auto detect schema. So it will automatically detect your column names, and that's it. Then here in advanced option, you need to select like header row 1. So it will skip your column name to be imported as a data of your table. So this is crucial to replacing 0 with 1. So it will do that thing here, and then just click on create table. Yeah, that's, and it will create table for you using your existing file or from selected data source. So this is the schema of my table. So you can see ID, title, category, that is from my CSV file. And you can also preview your table. So here I have this table and this data. So that's how you can create table and dataset in Google Cloud's BigQuery. So that's it for this video. You can consider subscribing if this video helps you to understand or gain new knowledge. Thanks guys. Bye bye.